Hi everyone, to the bone, this is Darcy, and today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to do an ice globe facial. I'm actually going to show you two tutorials of how to use the ice globes, and also going to talk about all the benefits and why I love it so much. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. But before we get to the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Now let's get to it. So the ice globes that I'm using today is from French. And you guys know I love these ice globes. I had blue ones, a very, very old one that broke. I had white ones, and now I have the gold ones, which is the newest one. And they're so beautiful. As you guys can see, there's little glitter inside. This one you can actually put on the freezer, because most of them, of the ice globes, you have to put on the refrigerator, but this particular one you can actually put on the freezer and it won't freeze. This has anti-freeze inside, so it still becomes pretty cold, but it won't freeze up, so it's pretty safe. But the other ones that I had, you have to put on the refrigerator. So always make sure to read whatever ice globe you purchase, how to take care of it, because you don't want to put on the freezer if it tells you to put on the refrigerator. The benefits are that it helps with circulation, help with fine lines and wrinkles, also helps to diminish your pores, also helps if you do any face peels or any extractions. It helps to calm down the skin. It helps with acne as well, like if you do daily, or if you see an acne about to pop out, you just pop it on the acne for a few minutes, and it really helps with inflammation. It helps to depuff your face, helps to release the sinus. Also, it's amazing for migraine. You can hold it onto your side lobes like that for migraines, or right here, or also on the inner part of the eyes. And it's just so amazing for relieving migraines. So I kind of attest for all these benefits because I've used it for a long time, and that's why I love it so much. So now let's get to the tutorial. I'm going to start with the quick method, because this one, I completely honest, is the one that I do most often, because it is one, sometimes I wake up, I have to get somewhere and I'm really puffy, or I have to put my makeup on and I have to go out at night, but I look super tired. And I also do this method a lot of times before shooting. I even have a video that I talk about that, how to get rid of a tired face, and I'll put the link in the description box below. Since you don't have any oils on anything, you just want to gently roll it. All I do is roll on my eyes, because first of all, a lot of times my eye area is where I have the most puffiness. So I just like rolling into my eye area, and then I start rolling all over my face, because sometimes I have a puffy face as well. And I also find that doing this really help with pore size. So this is a really good thing to do right before you do your makeup. You just roll it. And I like sometimes holding right in between my eyes, and then I roll. You just do that all over your face. And I love doing on the forehead as well. The forehead I like to do like that, because it kind of relaxes as well. And sometimes I like to do one by one, like that. You can look up. If you sometimes get puffiness on the under eye, you can just do this one. So this quick method, you can just kind of pick which one you like, or you can just roll your whole face like I'm doing. Or if you just have puffiness under your eyes, you can just do this, or if you can just do this. It is a quick method, so you don't need a lot. You just kind of do it and then see your face depuff. Works like a charm. It's amazing, guys. Now let's get to the tutorial number 2. For the second tutorial, we need a very heavy moisturizer or a face oil, so that way the ice globes can glide without tugging your face. I'm going to use this moisturizer here that is actually a night mask. It's really super oily, but it does absorb eventually, but it's almost like Crisco. But I do love it. It's from Algenist. It's the Genius Sleeping Collagen from Algenist. But you can use any oil or face oil or any moisturizer that has a little more of a slip. What I like to do is just slide the globes. So the difference between this one and the quick one is that you're sliding the globes. Always up towards your ears, to help to release the toxins, and also with lymphatic drainage. You can also do this. I also like doing this because it kind of helps to iron out the wrinkles. So you just kind of push the wrinkles to the opposite way. So you kind of do this. But make sure you have something to slide on, guys, because you do not want to do this with, you don't want to tug your face at all. So just kind of slide it. Really help not only deep off the face, help your cream absorb, helps your moisturizer or face oil absorbs to your skin and slides so nicely, and it just really works so well, guys. And for the forehead, I like to do this. I love doing that in the middle part too, where the levens are, and also bring it out to the temples. You just get them together and just pull them apart. And pull them apart, put them together and pull them apart. And bring it down. And at the end, I like to do this. Get it on the sides of your neck. Because what that does is helps to actually release all the toxins and helps to clear the lymphatic onto the sides. I don't usually do it on my neck because it's cold, but I just do it on my face. But you can totally do it on your neck as well if you like. But I love doing it on my face. So that's basically the second way to massage it. I just want to show you guys these two methods that you can use, the ice globes, and they have worked amazing for me. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching.